the video. So today, so someone's going to introduce the intro. I'll see you when they introduce. Hello, I'm the person who's gonna be in the intro. 4th of July is a very important day. It's not like Memorial Day, but it's a very different. Memorial Day honors the people who, the military, the army, but they still do pop fireworks on the Memorial Day because we do the color of it. But this one is different. This is the day of freedom. 4th of July is the day of freedom. So yeah. Wait, I don't know if 4th of July is the day of freedom, but it's a very important day too. It honors something. I forgot what it honored. But you can pop a lot of fireworks, and which I'll bring Tyson back. Hello, Ivan Tyson. What this video is all really about, is really about that we have fireworks. So we're gonna pop some tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. Don't mess up the fireworks. Okay, don't mess up none of these. Let's leave it alone. So guys, yep. I wish I just had some people of my family and mine come by. I wish I got footage, but the camera was charging. So I'm gonna get some tea. I love tea. A bottle of tea. Let me go get my cup. I'm gonna get root beer. Root beer. Yeah? Okay, let me just show you. So guys, I'm getting root beer. Delicious. No. I saw you. I saw you come in the window though. And let me get. Okay, where you need to go? Come on. So guys, follow me. So. Put all this stuff back in the boxes. Okay. We got this one.
This is very dangerous, y'all. You can't play with fireworks; they'll blow up in your face. Put all that stuff back in the bag.
Okay, Mom.
Fireworks are dangerous.
I have a question. How are we gonna do it when we don't even put them on the fire day?
Yeah, but they can. It's just like it's a human product, so anything can blow up. These are explosives. They're very, very dangerous. So there's nothing to play with.
Mommy is right. Fireworks are very dangerous. Make sure you be very careful
with them.
Mom, do you know that who got his hand blown?
Yeah, he's the one, the football players.
Mommy, guys, one of the football players a couple of years ago, he got his hand blowed up because he had a firework. So be very careful with fireworks. I don't care if you drop it. I don't care if you drop any of the fireworks. I don't care if you even haven't set it on fire. Be careful with it, because even if you drop it, they can still blow up. So be careful of them at all times. So that's what I'm telling you that. I love fireworks. Everyone loves them. Everyone loves to pop them. The only thing is that you gotta be careful. just like, what these called? Ladybugs? It's like they're ladybugs, but they're fireworks. They're fake. Yeah. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye!